And we know COVID-19 has a number of symptoms: fever, cough, body aches, but one of the most telltale symptoms is losing the ability to taste or smell.
More than 85% of people who test positive for the virus say they can't taste or smell. And for some, that has lasted a long time after they've tested positive. 10 Tampa Bay's Tweelan Nguyen talked to a doctor about recovering those senses. Good morning to you, Tweelan.
Good morning, Frank. It can be really frustrating for these patients. So doctors, ENTs, they're prescribing steroids for their patients, but they're also prescribing a treatment with things that you might already have at home. Think rosemary, coffee, maybe essential oils. They are prescribing smell training.
I just tell them to sit and sniff.
Dr. Jose Ruiz from Advent Health Sebring is an otolaryngologist who's had a lot of COVID-19 patients in his office. Some of them haven't been able to taste or smell like they used to for months. Part of the treatment plan for his patients includes olfactory training.
I tell them, go get some essential oils, go get some coffee grounds, get something that has a strong smell. And 2 or 3 times a day, I'll have them sit down, maybe 5 minutes, and just keep sniffing.
The idea is that you can trigger the connection between your nose, your mouth, and your brain again, so your smell and taste come back.
The olfactory nerve does have the capability of regenerating. So what you want to do is just keep triggering the nerve until you get some regeneration of the function.
Dr. Ruiz says this is really frustrating for a lot of patients because the symptoms can last a really long time, and it can affect people mentally because if you can't eat or enjoy the things you used to love, that can get really frustrating, and things they used to like may smell or taste rotten or really different and not what they're used to.
Frustrating might be an understatement, Tweelan. So if people want to try this at home to get their senses back, how does this work?
Yeah, this is so simple. All you need is something that smells strong, preferably good. I've got some eucalyptus essential oil here, so all you have to do, sniff it, don't ingest anything, a couple minutes each day, a couple times a day, and that can trigger that nerve to regenerate over the course of a few weeks. He says some people find success within that time. Some people, it takes a little bit longer.